work. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing something that a follower requested, and that is doing Lauren Conrad's eyeliner look. I'm going to be using the Lauren Conrad Beauty Book as a guide because Lauren Conrad specifically says how she does her iconic wing eyeliner. You can find this iconic wing eyeliner kind of mini tutorial from Lauren Conrad on her book Beauty, and it's on page 158 and 159. If you guys want to follow along with me, let's go ahead and do this, and if you do, let me know down below in the comment section how it goes for you guys. I'm going to quote from the book, and it says, quote, "Step 1. Place the brush or pencil on your lash line at the inner corner of your eye, and keeping the line against your lashes, drag it outward, stopping at the outer corner of your eye. Start small. You can always retrace your step to make the line thicker. Step 2. Now wing the liner out. Imagine a line going from the outside corner of your eye up to about where your eyebrow ends. That's the angle you're following. I stop where my eye crease ends, so like about here for me. It's about the length of an eyelash, but you can inch it out incrementally until you find the perfect cat eye for you. Sometimes just a little is all you need. Step 3. Go back and fill the wing, connecting the two lines you've created and thickening the curve. Step 4. Once you have a smooth line, clean up any other imperfections with a cotton swab and you're done." End quote. In case you guys don't know who Lauren Conrad is, she started in a show on MTV called Laguna Beach. From there, they followed her and wanted her to have her own show, so she did, and it was called The Hills. In The Hills, they followed her through beauty and fashion, little things that she did, and of course, her life. Lauren Conrad also has a fashion line, and of course, she's an author. She's written more than 8 books, and you guys can look her up. But apart from all of that, she's very known for her wing eyeliner. So let's see if I can recreate her iconic wing eyeliner with the steps that she gives, of course, in her Lauren Conrad Beauty Book. Since most of the time Lauren Conrad is known for using liquid eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and use that for this tutorial. So we have to start by placing it in the inner corner, and then she says to keep it against your lashes, drag it outward, and then we stop at the corner. So let's try that. And she says that we can do little steps, so. Okay, stop there. Okay, so after that, we need to wing the liner out. Okay, imagine a line going from the outside corner of your eye, so from here to about where your eyebrow ends. That's the angle you're following. So basically my eyebrow ends about here. So we're gonna go up here, like this. Stop where the eye crease ends. So I have to stop right here where I have my scar. He has it on the book that it goes like straight up. So from here, I'm just gonna try and like the end of my eyebrow and then the crease. I have that. Now she states to go back and fill the wing, creating the two lines. I'm just doing what she says and to make it thicker. That's what I've got. The picture, she has it very thick from like here all the way here. So I'm going to try and do that. Okay. Smooth line, clean up any other imperfections with a cotton swab and you're done. Okay, I have my cotton swab, but then it says that you have to clean it up and that you're done, but it doesn't specify if you need to put anything here like makeup remover or anything. So basically I guess I just clean it up with this. So I have that. It doesn't quite look like the one that she has in her book. I'm going to show you guys. So it's supposed to look a little bit like this, where like at the end it's kind of curved. In her book, she doesn't specify to curve it. It just says like to clean it up and I did that. In her cover, she also has it very curved, so I'm going to try and achieve that look. But so far, if you follow along with the book, it's going to turn out a little bit like this. Try and do the same thing to my other eye, but this time I'm going to try and curve it out instead of having like a straight line. I think I got her curve. Let's see. So this is exactly how I followed it from the book, and this is kind of recreating her iconic eyeliner, kind of curving out. That's it, you guys. What do you guys think? Should I follow the book, or should I do a little bit of Lauren Conrad's freeform? I really like both of these techniques. It depends on if I'm wearing eyelashes or not. If I am not wearing eyelashes, I like sticking to this one. If I am wearing eyelashes, I like sticking to this one. Sometimes I do a little in between, but I really like how she explains it well in the book. I would have liked for her to explain how we clean it up with a dry Q-tip or with makeup remover or something on the cotton swab. This book is really good. I like it a lot because it goes through the basics, especially if you're... So I will be doing more looks from this. Just let me know if you want to see something. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.